Guys, look, my name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coast Network. Today we at IAAPA Expo in Orlando. Premier Ride's about to reveal their newest attraction. So stay tuned.
I'm really happy for all of you to make your morning stop here at IAAPA at the Premier Rides booth. I'd like to first introduce myself. I am Sarah Shea, the Vice President of Administration, Sales, and Marketing at Premier. And you can't hear us.
Testing.
Testing. Can you hear better? All right. Sorry about that. Okay. Thank you again for being here today, and we're really excited to talk to you about and reveal this exciting vehicle and project that we're doing. I would like to turn the microphone over to Chuck Myers, who is the Senior Vice President of Creative with Six Flags Entertainment, and he's going to tell you a little bit about this project.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you for being here for this exciting reveal of this new ride that we're putting at Canada's Wonderland for next year. We couldn't be more excited about the partnership with Premier and being able to share this with you today. Guests are going to come to Canada's Wonderland next year. They're going to go to our Alpen Fest village. They're going to have a new load station that takes them on a journey into Wonder Mountain. And when they're in Wonder Mountain, they're going to experience a combination of fire and ice that launches them on an amazing ride that is non-stop action. We couldn't be more thrilled for our guests, and we couldn't be more thrilled for this partnership. And I'm going to let Jim tell us a little bit more about some of the excitement our guests are going to experience at Canada's Wonderland next year.
Fantastic. And welcome everyone. I'm Jim Shea. I'm the president of Premier Rides. Very excited for the unveiling today. And Alpen Fury is an unbelievable attraction that is going to wow everyone. I guarantee it. This is one big ride. It is an incredibly complex layout it has amazing pacing. It is Canada's longest, tallest, fastest launch coaster. It's going to be a world record coaster for our launch coasters and 9 inversions, and it is non-stop thrills from the moment you leave the station to the moment you get back. I mean, this ride, I'm sure some of you have seen the great visuals that are online for the ride. It is a fantastic ride. It's over 3,000 feet long. It goes over 70 miles an hour. You come out of that station, you are launched into Wonder Mountain. You are launched in, and this layout, to go through that mountain, you go into the mountain, you get launched again inside the mountain, you get shot out the top of the mountain, and you go into this incredible experience of inversion after inversion after inversion and other thrills along the way. So this is an amazing attraction. It is a testament to the technology capability of Premier Rides and working with the incredible team at Canada's Wonderland. You can only imagine what it's like. There are 3 other rides in the mountain. There's also a complex structure which supports the mountain. We had to do the most advanced effort, I think, ever on a ride with Canada's Wonderland using drone technology of surveying. We're talking terabytes of data to map the inside of that mountain, map the structure, map the other 3 rides, and for our layout specialists to be able to weave the ride through that mountain. It is stunning what was done. So we're real excited here to show you the lead vehicle from Alpen Fury, and Sarah will undo the bow. Thank you. Beautiful. So I want to thank Six Flags for the incredible partnership on this attraction. This is the most complex attraction we've ever built. And if you look at the video, you can see the complexity of the attraction. We could only do it without your team, with your team. We can only do it with your team and the close relationship that we've had with Six Flags over the years and the former Cedar Fair. It's great to put that all together and have those teams working with us. So thank you.
It's a great partnership, and Jim, we appreciate you and your team's effort, and we're so excited that this ride is coming to Canada's Wonderland.
Thank you, Chuck. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah.